How to get a refund on Enterprise Rideshare UK. First, you want to go to your browser, and here on the search bar, you want to simply tap on it, and you want to type in Enterprise Car Club refund policy. Search for Enterprise Car Club refund as well, and here you want to tap on this Enterprise Car Club help center. After that, you want to allow all the notifications, and here you want to accept all the cookies as well. And you want to scroll down over here, and if you want, you can read all these options if this answers your questions, or you want to simply scroll down all the way, simply tap on contact us over here. From here you'll be able to see, and from here you want to scroll down and simply tap on email the clubhouse or email them. You can select all these emails options over here to actually contact the official Enterprise Car Club team. You can also make a phone call to troubleshoot your problem over there. However, I'll suggest you to send an email, since it can be detailed. You want to troubleshoot all of your problems with details over there, and also make an appeal for refund. And if your appeal is valid, you might even get a refund within 2 to 3 business days. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.